This is Sai Fanindra from SQL School. I assure you, practice classes from scratch, right from the basics, step by step. And please promise me, can you practice every day minimum 1 hour? Please, everyone. Please, minimum 1 hour. Can you practice, please?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sure. Nikita, Naveen, Sandeep. Yes. Others, please. I'll wait.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Perfect. Perfect. Then
Yeah.
fine. Let's continue. Others who are not able to respond, kindly check your mics, please. Kindly check your mics. Let's continue.
Hi, sir. I just have a doubt before the class starts. So this is the class is all about the SQL Server, or even you'll cover a few topics of Oracle database.
Oracle, we have a separate trainer, madam. That's a separate ship altogether. We are into Microsoft ship. We are into Microsoft only.
Okay. So this is all about SQL database or Microsoft.
Microsoft SQL database.
Okay. Thank
Okay.
you.
Oracle, madam, we have a separate trainer, separate classes altogether. I do not have any experience on Oracle, unfortunately.
Okay.
I never worked on Oracle. I don't have that experience.
Okay.
I'll start, madam.
Thank you.
Okay. Let me continue. Yeah. Thank you. Fine, friends. Thank you. Attendees have been responsive. Yes, kindly make sure we have minimum 1 hour time to practice. Things are very much practical, trust me. And you involve more, we can do more and more. We'll start from the scratch. Database fundamentals with Microsoft SQL, MS SQL. Very important query tuning concepts and few other objects like procedures, common table expressions, etc. And after the basement, you'll proceed for your actual resume orientation course. Maybe data engineer, Power BI, DBA, whatever it is. The basement will start with. Things are a bit vast, need your support. Before we understand the details of our content, the curriculum, and the job roles, what is database? It is a storehouse, a storage area. We can store any type of data, any amount of data, fully secured and easy to organize. At the same time, unlike an Excel file or a PDF file, database can store unlimited data. It has support for cloud, means remote storage, and supports AI capabilities, artificial intelligence capabilities. Automatically, we don't pay anything extra for it now. AI is a part of every database technology. So every enterprise needs this new friend database. Because of this 100% job opportunities, and frankly speaking, no IT projects without database. So it's evergreen, always safe platform. Before we travel further, let's understand types of databases. We have two basic types, OLTP, data warehouse. OLTP stands for online transaction processing databases, OLTP. They store live real-time data. Example, live temperature, live stock market, anything live. Then we have data warehouse to store historical data, old temperature data or old stock market activities, anything old. Data warehouse. I repeat, OLTP to store live real-time data like live temperature, live stock market, etc. Then we have data warehouse to store old historical data. Two different types of databases. Developers will be involved. There is a job role, SQL Developer will be involved in design of this live database as OLTP. Data engineers will be involved in warehouse, data warehouse design. And next, two more. Data analysts will be involved in reporting activities, reporting both OLTP data and data warehouse data. DBAs will be involved in managing OLTP and data warehouse. SQL DBA, Database Administrator, is all about management. So developers and data engineers design, analysts for reporting, DBAs for administration activities. Next, what is it we are learning? Two types of databases, OLTP and data warehouse. There are other type of databases, but these are the major types. Now the question, why we have two types of databases on the screen. The birthplace of data, website, apps, Internet of Things. I mean, internet enabled devices like our mobile phones, digital clocks, or television, or Bluetooth enabled ACs, air conditioners, anything. All Wi-Fi connected devices are nothing but IoT, Internet of Things. They submit data where the data goes into the first place, OLTP. Here, different companies came up with different brands of OLTP. Microsoft has MS SQL. Oracle company has MySQL and Oracle, different products. Postgres, Amazon has RDS, Relational Database Service, etc. So different companies have different products to capture and store live OLTP data. But today's live data would be tomorrow's history. I mean, current live data would become stale, inactive, historical after few days or weeks or months or years. So we need to offload all the old data. There comes data warehouse. Please check your mic, please. Please kindly mute, please. Thank you. I repeat, we need to have a godown. We need to have a storehouse for old historical data. Microsoft has something called Synapse. Remember the new term, Synapse. Open source, Apache company. Apache has Spark. Amazon has Redshift. And another one we have Snowflake. What are these godowns? OLTP is like a showroom. Warehouse is like a godown. The transport from OLTP to warehouse is ETL. We have Azure Data Factory, Azure Databricks from Azure, from Microsoft, Glue, Athena from Amazon. We say Amazon Glue, Amazon Athena, and Snowpark data build tool required for Snowflake. So again, different companies for implementing that data engineering activities, extract data from OLTP and other sources, and carefully load the data to warehouse. From there, we have OLAP and other databases for analysis and machine learning data science implementations. This is a complete flow of data. Any end-to-end IT projects, any end-to-end industrial projects, the birthplace of data from sensors, IoT devices, regular databases, unstructured, structured sources will proceed to warehouse through a process of ETL activities, extract, transform, load. This is ETL, we call it. From there, the data goes to Synapse or Spark. This is big data, remember. This place is the big data. The godown, the warehouse is the big data. So data can be from sensors, websites, or files, forms, or these OLTP databases. Once your data loads into big data, from there comes analytics. Now the question, which software we can use to implement this complete end-to-end concepts, end-to-end data flows? I mean, right from any website, forms, IoT to database to ETL to warehouse to analytics. Which software we use? There comes something called DBMS and SQL. SQL is a software. We are going to install it. It's a language, actually. It's a platform to store, manipulate, and report databases. I repeat, what is SQL? Structured query language. SQL is a software component to perform storage, manipulations, and reporting activities. So various job roles are involved in SQL, right from administration to engineering to analysts to data scientists, BI developers, so on. To implement SQL, to play with those databases and the complete left to right platform. What is that? Again, IoT to OLTP, ETL, warehouse analytics. To implement all these items, not only SQL, we also need something called DBMS. Here we go. What is it? DBMS. Database Management System. It is a software to build and design databases and data warehouses. Database like OLTP and data warehouse, big data warehouse. Usually cloud, can be non-cloud also. Manage, administer databases, access, analyze, secure, troubleshoot databases, implementation of AI. I'll show you the AI components in our installation, next concept. And various companies have this DBMS in the market. Microsoft has SQL Server, Oracle, Postgres, Sybase, Informix, IBM DB2, so on. Different companies came with different products. For what? For implementing OLTP and data warehouse. So using DBMS, we implement SQL concepts and design, monitor, repair, administer, engineer, analyze databases. I repeat, inside DBMS software, we use SQL to perform our day-to-day database activities. So DBMS software is required. SQL platform is also required to touch databases. It's something like this. For example, you install MS Office. To open Excel file, we need an interface, right? Using our mouse and keyboard, we perform some operations in Excel. There is a specific process to follow, like Control F, find, Control S, save, like this. Same way means it's a process to a set of activities you perform. Same way, DBMS is a software. Inside this software, we are going to perform the regular day-to-day activities using SQL, either administration or management or engineering, anything. So our next concept, we need to slowly learn how to install that DBMS software. We have various versions of Microsoft SQL Server. Various versions of Microsoft SQL Server. Like SQL Server 22, 2019, 2017, 16, like this. Various editions of SQL Server, like Evaluation, Developer, Express. First three are free. First three are free. And we have Data Center, Enterprise, Standard, Web, and Desktop. These are paid copies. In our classes, to implement the databases, we have one evaluation, one developer. From your end, from my end, I'll be using an enterprise edition licensed copy. You have access to our enterprise edition as well in the form of remote access, online server access. We'll be touching base with two major are the latest versions, 22 and 19. Installation part, the software I'll guide you. Make sure we have Windows 8 or higher operating system with 6 GB RAM minimum. If you are using Mac, please enable Windows inside your Mac or install a virtual machine. In case of any help required, you can reach me on WhatsApp or call directly. What are these versions of SQL Server left? Like iPhone 12, iPhone 13, iPhone 14, 15, like this. We have various releases of Microsoft SQL Server as well. 2022 and 2019 are the latest ones. Next, editions. Like iPhone, we see Max Plus, right? Max Plus, Pro, etc. Same way here, various flavors of SQL Server. Right side top 3 demo pieces are the free editions. In real world, we use licensed copy. We have enterprise in our classes. With these software items, we have 3 trending job roles. Database administration, DBA, to manage, troubleshoot, secure databases. Examination code, DP300. Please aim at certification also. It's like a degree, official degree from Microsoft that yes, we are aware of the things. In earlier days, there used to be some shortcuts. Now everyone came to know about those so-called shortcuts. Now things are more transparent, luckily. So the certification also has its own increased value now because of the transparency. So aim at certification in addition to your actual regular classes. My support always certification guidance part of our classes with latest samples, mock certifications, so on. Apart from database administration job role, another trending one, data engineers, responsible for warehouse, data warehouse databases, preferably in cloud. For non-cloud, we have BI, MSBI. Cloud is data engineer. Involves cloud computing, big data, ETL concepts. We have 2 flavors, Azure data engineers, Fabric data engineers. Both are clouds from Microsoft, Azure cloud, Fabric cloud. Fabric is very new, more recent, more AI components. Azure versus Fabric, AI is the difference. Bit costly, but more intuitive, more colorful, more easy operations in Fabric. Separate certification altogether. And in case someone from non-IT background, fresher or 1 year, 2 years experience profile, they may opt for data analyst job role. Responsible for reports, dashboards using cloud and Copilot AI components. 2 certifications as on date, PL300, SQL Power BI, DP600, SQL Power BI, Python and Copilot. Any one of these 2 certifications is usually enough. 3 prominent job roles. Number 1, SQL DBA. It's all about management, administration, troubleshooting, repairs, security, optimizations, ensuring 24/7 availability of data. This is our DBA course content curriculum with good amount of hands-on on cloud and non-cloud technologies. The second one, data engineer. It's all about extraction of data. We said ETL and data warehouse. What is it? ETL and data warehouse. This one, ETL, data warehouse. That is data engineering. And we have other one, Power BI, data analyst job role, responsible for dashboards and reports. It's all about adding color to the data. So DBA, data engineer, Power BI, 3 different job roles. Choose whichever you want. Make sure we do on-time practice throughout the course. Very much required, please. Now here are the common job roles or comparisons. Data analysts will be responsible for understand the existing databases, perform querying activities, and do reporting. Implement AI called Copilot, Microsoft Gen AI technology. Don't see AI as a separate course. No, we are not into academic learning. For job requirement, AI is in every project, every technology, everywhere. Every component involves AI now. When I was in my BTech 2005, I'm 2005 BTech pass out, okay? We have AI subject, really. JNTU campus, we have AI subject in 2005 BTech 4th year, 1st semester. I still remember it. Yes, it is evolving at rapid pace now. It's not new actually. We have real-time analytics and AI, one subject. Of course, theoretical at that time, basic level, theoretical. Now AI is there for my kid who is studying 7th class now. You have it. Well, don't see it as new. Please see AI as pepper and salt in our kitchen. Really, it works. It's there everywhere. Right from our Windows operating system now, today, to Excel, database, browser, everywhere we have AI. Don't see it separately. It should be and has to be included in our learning process, project work. Should be highlighted in our resume. Data analyst will be responsible for something called as dashboard activities, something called Power Query, DAX, etc. They are also responsible for troubleshooting reports, managing reports, data analysts. Data engineers are responsible for implementing SQL towards ETL and data warehouse activities. In this process, we have something called data factory, data bricks, data lake, stream analytics, IoT, Spark, cloud computing, etc. Database administrators need to use SQL mainly for performance tuning activities, troubleshooting activities, something called management concepts, high availability and disaster recovery, cloud migrations, clusters, always on, so on. Choice is yours, how you would like to travel. 3 different roads. And from here, you'll be receiving these complete documents and a detailed video on the exact job roles and the explanation of chapter-wise content for your preferred choice, which course you are into. Please fill a form that was sent on email just now. On email, you received one form, kindly check. Please submit the form and let me know which of these job roles you are opting for. On my screen, here it is. You may opt for 1, 2 if you are into data engineer starter profile. For starters, This should be fine, this level. Plan B. For experienced professionals, we need plan C, whichever course you are into. Choice is yours. Choose and submit the form that was sent on email just now. In response to that submission, I need to send you one detailed step-by-step video on what we are going to learn concept-wise for your preferred course. At the end of the day, straightforward concepts, happy classes are important. Need your support. Next, we'll go for questions in another 2 minutes, okay? Detailed notes, step-by-step activities, I will take care. Detailed notes, step-by-step activities, I will take care. You please take care. On-time practice. Please, my kind request. If you can do on-time practice and be interactive in the class, we can do more and more. Please find a printer. Access your printer at least once or twice every week. Reason, the class notes will be like this. You'll be receiving the class notes in advance, weekly. Chapter 1, then 2, like this. Chapter-wise notes, Word documents, neatly formatted, step-by-step activities. From scratch, we'll do it slowly. Just what is what to the point, straight to the point. You need to take print copies of the notes before the class. Print copies of the notes will be given weekly in advance, usually on Fridays, for the entire next week classes. Kindly take print copies of the notes, file it or bind it and keep it ready for the classes. I'll explain every example, every scenario minimum 2 times. We will go for questions, clarifications after revision of the concept. Concept first, revision next, then we'll plan our doubts after revision. Throughout the course, the same rhythm follows. So you need to take print copies of the class notes. Further, you need to take print copies of the FAQ answers. Concept-wise, your answers. You need to take print copy of all the assignment answers concept-wise. So notes is important and concept-wise FAQs are also important for us. You'll take print copies of both. Next, only for today and tomorrow, you'll be receiving the introduction, installation notes individually for today and tomorrow. After your course enrollment, you'll be receiving this week, next week class notes in a single shot. Kindly take print copy. My first request, okay? Number 2, second request. Kindly WhatsApp me your observation notes you will write every day. For example, something like this on my screen. In this way. Something like this. Every day. You have the class notes with you, print copy. Still, we keep ourselves engaged. We keep ourselves engaged writing the observation notes, keyword notes. I'll show you one more. I don't want it to be so detailed, not really required to be too detailed, but good to keep yourself engaged. Like, what is this? MPP, massively parallel processing technology, big data technology, a DBA concept, something like this. So that we keep ourselves engaged. Let's think practically. Make sure we are isolated in the class so that we can do our best together. Need your support. Hope you received the mail, everyone. Kindly check. I'll wait, please. Yes, please.
Yeah.
Please confirm. Hope you received the email, everyone. Please, I'll wait. So request one, print
Yeah.
copies of the notes in advance. Request two, write your observation notes. Every day you'll WhatsApp me, please. Let's keep ourselves interactive. Yes, hope you got the email, everyone. Please, I'll
Yeah.
wait.
Yes, yes, received.
Yeah. Received.
Yeah,
Kindly
we got.
submit the form you see in our website. I mean, you see the form over there, right? Please check it, friends. I'll wait. You see one form. Kindly submit whichever course you are planning to opt for, either SQL DBA or Fabric or Python or data engine, whichever you are into. Just wait. I think I gave a wrong form. Please wait, friends. Please don't mind. Please wait. Okay. Please wait. Please don't mind. Please wait. Please do not submit, friends. I could see. Yes. Almost ready. Please wait, friends. Almost ready. Please wait, friends. Please hold on. Yes, done. Kindly submit the form. Please refresh. You will see a form. Just select it, whichever you wanted to opt for. Our team shall call you after the class, and you can also WhatsApp me. I'm sending you on WhatsApp message from my end after the session today. Please, everyone, hope you'll be interactive in the class, right? Write your observation notes, maintain your running notes, get print copies of the notes every day. Please, everyone, please, we learn together, right? Please confirm, please, I'll wait.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure.
Please, everyone, please, we have a lot to learn now. Yes,
Not received yet.
Yes.
someone said
Yes.
not received. Kindly check, sir. Kindly check your spam, junk promotions also, please. I'll wait. Kindly submit the
Sir,
form with whichever course you're opting for. Tell me, sir. Tell me, sir. Next question, please. Yeah.
I'm also not getting the form.
You didn't receive it. I'll send it
Yeah, sir.
manually, sir. Please wait. Not a problem. I'm sending it now. Fine. In the meantime, let's go for questions. Amita. Yes, madam. Any questions? Amita, Amit, Kanu, John, Linda K. Any questions, please? I will wait.
Sir, in
Is
this
it?
course, in this, which one will be covering the concept of AI in the database?
AI is everywhere, madam. AI is everywhere. Okay.
Oh,
We have AI in data analyst. AI here, madam. Data engineer, we have AI. In DBA also we have AI. Especially for tuning activities, we have AI in DBA. We have something called AI search. For example, madam, on my screen, I'll show you. So AI is not separately available. Okay, it's there everywhere now. You see my screen, madam? You see my screen?
yes, sir.
Perfect. For example, you are a DBA. You have AI in tuning concepts. Example on my screen. I'll take you to something called SQL Database and search AI. You see AI search like this. Okay, something like this. We have AI search, wherein we use AI components. We need to buy AI components in Azure and perform search activities. Same way, if we are into data analyst, you have AI and Copilot in Power BI. Same way we have Copilot in Azure. So everywhere, madam, we have AI. It is there everywhere. Hence, I was mentioning this one, AI. Okay, specifically I was mentioning it. Let's be clear. Are you clear,
Okay,
madam?
sir.
I'll wait. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Next question,
Only
please. I'll wait. You tell me.
in
Tell me,
SQL
please.
DBA, no, we don't use it. Sir.
In core DBA, we don't have, madam. Azure DBA, we have. I mean, wherever there is cloud, there will be AI. Simple, madam. Okay.
Okay,
Wherever there
sir.
is cloud, there will be AI everywhere, universally. Not only
Mhm.
Microsoft, any cloud, there will be AI.
Okay.
Yes. In fact, like AI requires cloud. AI requires internet. See, AI
Okay.
involves some artificial intelligence that can work as on date, it needs internet. As on date, it needs cloud, madam. Microsoft or in any company, any cloud, it requires internet.
Okay, sir. Thank you,
Yep.
sir.
Fine, madam. Thank you. Next
Um,
question, please. I'll wait.
yeah, difference between Python ETL and Python Analytics.
Very simple, brother. I'll show you this way. For example, I'll just take you to here, this one. Here we use Python for performing additional reporting items. Where in Power BI, for example, this is my Power BI interface. In Power BI interface, I said AI, right? This one, Copilot,
Yeah.
the previous question answer. And I said Python, here it is, this one, Python. Using Python, we can generate new reports. That is analytics. Using Python, we can perform new visualization activities. That is analytics, end user analytics.
Okay.
Whereas using Python, we can do ETL activities also. Extract, transform, load activities like PySpark. PySpark, have you heard about something called PySpark anytime? PySpark.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, PySpark is into ETL.
Okay.
Power BI Python is analytics. So
Analytics.
Python can be used for ETL, warehouse, analytics. Okay, you got some idea now? I'll wait.
Yes. Okay, yeah, sure. Yes, yes. Sir,
Sure.
can you make the differences between data analyst, data scientist, and data engineer?
I have it actually ready for tomorrow's class installation, brother. In installation, will be cautiously selecting very in a caution way. We are going to select the required components. I'll tell you tomorrow anyway. There's a nice chart. We have it anyway. I'll do tomorrow's class, please. Yeah,
Okay, okay. And then one more
I'll do.
question. Uh,
Tell me,
item
sir.
number 5, box number 5, right? You have
Yes.
mentioned the 1567. So to know this fabric data engineer, the DBA knowledge is mandatory. It is like that.
Not required at all. You can directly go for 1,5. Go for 1, then 5. That is fabric.
Okay. No, sir, for
Okay.
experience, for experience.
Actually, it will be 153, right? 153. This
Okay, okay, so okay to be
one. It is
data.
experience level. 153. 1,
Okay,
5,
sir.
3. So that
Okay,
you get fabric data engineer certification, fabric data analyst certification, both you have.
okay, sir. Okay, okay, got it, got it.
I'll make it more clear for you on my screen. Fabric, see here on my screen. I think it will ask me for my OTP. It will ask me for my OTP, I think. I already logged in. Anyway, here it is on my screen.
Yes, sir.
So when it comes to fabric engineering, we have something called as warehouse, the one we are learning now. Warehouse, lake house, something called real-time intelligence. They're all engineering activities.
Okay.
And additionally, we have Power BI concepts also. Let me show you how it is, just to get some idea. It's a new cloud environment. Yeah, on my screen.
Yes.
Here again, we have AI. That's nothing but Copilot. See here, we have something called warehouse activities, ETL pipeline activities. You see my screen?
Yes.
These are all
Yes.
engineering. Okay. Additionally, you also have something called reporting analytics. I'll show you this one, analyzing the data. So for
Yeah.
a data analysis, you require Python again,
Okay.
Python analytic activities. And we also have reporting, visualizations, Power BI dashboards, Power BI reports, etc.
Okay.
So one cloud can have engineering plus analytics, both
Mhm.
DP 600, DP 700, two different certifications.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay. So that is what it differs from data engineer, Azure data engineer.
you are right. Exactly. Yes, you are right. Power BI is into fabric now. Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay. So then, why can't you say, sir, which one will be good for experienced people? So without Azure data engineering knowledge or some basics, can't we directly go to Fabric data engineer, or it should be?
We can go. See, you can directly go for 1,5, brother. I'm not including 2 here, isn't it? Understand carefully this one, sir,
Yes.
on my screen. Okay, Azure is not required for Fabric.
Okay. Sir.
Okay, to drive a new Tesla car, driving a old Honda City car is not mandatory. Are you clear,
Mandatory.
sir?
Yeah.
Okay,
Correct.
make it
Yeah.
clear and simple. Yes, road is common, but the vehicle is different. New vehicle, electric vehicle. Okay, yeah, driverless. Still, it's like a driverless car, really. Everything automated, still manual intervention required. Yes. Next, Parag, Pathak, and
I have one question actually.
tell me,
I
sir.
didn't receive the
Others.
email.
Haven't received the mail? 1 minute. Could you please check your spam, junk, promotions also, please? I'll wait.
Yeah, yes, checked.
Sir, I have also not received the email.
Not received, sir.
Friends, I forgot to mention. Kindly recheck your spam, junk, promotions also, please. I will wait. I'm sending it manually anyway. Manik, just now email sent, kindly check. Kanu John,
Okay, sir.
email sent just now, kindly check it now. Kanu Priya Malik, please check it now.
So I have
Myself,
I will wait.
um,
Hello, sir. Please tell me, sir. Proceed. Yes.
yeah. So actually,
even I didn't see the email, sir.
you know,
1 minute, Abhishek. Is it
yeah.
the mail? Is it?
No, I
Arun,
did
Arun.
receive. I have a question. Abhishek, have a question. I did receive the email.
It's Arun, sir, not received the email.
Sure, Arun. I'm sending it, Arun, manually. Abhishek, please continue with your question, sir. Tell me, please.
Okay, so actually, I'm interested in Power BI training. Okay.
Okay.
So I've been working as a BI analyst since like 9 or 10 years. So I've been working on other reporting tools. So in our client, requires me to learn Power BI. So I'm actually interested in Power BI only. So do you suggest me attending this MS SQL as well, or can I just join directly on the Power BI course? What do you suggest?
On my screen, brother, you
Yeah.
need to decide because you know your comfort on SQL from your end. So on my screen, I can give you the checklist. If you are aware of all these 30 concepts, you can happily step into my Power BI classes.
Okay.
Okay. Yep. So kindly check it. You are happy with all this, full, comfortable, confident, happily you can start my Power BI. If not, Get these concepts SQL first, Power BI next. Go for plan B. Choice is yours now. Okay, anything is fine as per your comfort. Yep.
Okay.
On my screen.
Thank you. Done.
Fine, sir. Next question, please. In the meantime,
This
email
is
sent. Manik and Arun, please check it. Friends.
yes,
Abhishek,
received.
please check it.
Received.
Yes,
Please.
sir, received.
I
Fine,
didn't,
fine. Thank you.
I didn't receive, sir.
this is
I have not
Madhukar.
received.
I haven't received the email as well.
Yeah,
Madhukar,
Ravi
haven't
Kumar.
received it? Please wait.
No.
I'm sending it manually. Please wait. Who else? Ravi Kumar, you said you haven't received it, right? Ravi Kumar.
Yes.
1 minute, sir. Who
Even
else said
for
to
me,
receive, please?
yeah,
Who
Revan
else?
Sai.
1 minute, Revant. I'm sending it manually. Revant Sai. Yeah, sure. Please wait. Done. Who else, please? Fine, friends. Kindly recheck it now, please. Yes, we received few confirmations. Others, please. I'll wait.
I received it, Madhukar.
I haven't
Fine, friends.
received.
Oh, still yet to receive. What's happening then? 1 minute.
I received.
I have to
I
send it
received.
manually. Okay, fine. Friends, kindly make sure we give the correct email address, okay? Yeah, please. Anyway, I will send you whoever submitted the form. I need to send you 2 things. Number 1, software installation download links and the notes for tomorrow. Number 2, a detailed video on the concept-wise content, like what we are going to learn, why, how. See, we should know the chemistry, right? Should be very careful. So don't take my class as a history class, please. It's a chemistry class. I mean it. Need your support. Let's have full enthusiastic learning curve. Love towards the technology. It is going to bless us. Need your support. Thank you. And questions further, if any, please WhatsApp me. Our team shall call you after the class now. Please talk to them. Post your non-technical questions, if any. Do you have my WhatsApp number, everyone? Please. Do you have my WhatsApp number with you? Yes.
No.
Please.
Can you share?
Surely on my screen. I'll just put it here, okay? It's there in the curriculum as well as in the email also. 903004080. For any kind of further questions, clarifications, or any kind of resume reviews, anything technical, please reach me on my number. You also have my LinkedIn profile in the email, just to make it clear. Thank you. See you from tomorrow. We'll slowly start installation from tomorrow's class, and then start with SQL concepts from scratch day after tomorrow. This is the agenda. We'll do it slowly, step by step.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice time. Thank you so much. Pleasure meeting you all, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye.
Pleasure meeting you all. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I haven't
Thank you.
received.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much. Someone said I haven't received it still.
Thank
Oh my
you.
God. Who is that, please? I'll resend it manually. Who is that, please?
Mariano?
Mariano. Mariano already sent, sister. I'll do one thing. I could see it was sent actually. Please wait. I'll do once again now. Please wait. Your email address looks good actually. Not sure. Please wait. Could you please ping me a hi message on WhatsApp?
Yeah.
Otherwise, I'll send you the form directly on WhatsApp, please.
I got it now.
Perfect. Then fine. Yeah. Fine, friends. Thank you.
Thank you.
Meeting from tomorrow.